Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's reverse stamping video, I'll show you how I did this cute kitty mani. Of course, I'm starting by applying a peel-off base coat onto my nails. For today's base color, I'm using this mint shade. Then let's proceed on stamping. Then let's fill it in with colors. Then I'm setting this aside to dry. Now let's do this one. After letting the silver shade dry, I'm applying over a white shade for opacity. Then I'm applying a fast drying top coat onto my nails, leaving it to dry a bit so that it will have a sticky surface. Then I stamp the kitty design on my index nail. To have a cleaner looking reverse stamping, you can always touch up the colors with a nail art brush and nail polish. Then I'm stamping this one on my pinky nail. Then I'm using this paw design for my middle and ring nail. Then I'm filling up the empty parts with a nail art brush and a black nail polish. After all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!